Hello and welcome to the Granite Ledge Coffee headquarters and the 603 Outsiders YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe and the bell icon so you get notified every time we drop a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a deep clean on our roaster here. A complete breakdown and clean as much as we can, grease all the Zerk fittings on the machine. We oil the chains, we oil the blower motor, just get it right. We do a normal cleaning every Sunday. While we're in here, or while I'm in here wiping down, I also like to just make sure that bolts are tight. Everything is working good and as it should. All right. Nope. It's gonna get loud here for a sec. All right. Seriously, looks pretty good. All right. Now we just need to put a little oil on the bearings of the motor here. Do that by removing this little cap. And you want to put about 2 or 3 drops in, not a lot. We're using just a 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil. Now this back one's a little tricky. So what I like to do is I'll put a drop on the end of this, put it down in its hole, let the oil get down in there, pull it out, do that 2 times. There we go. All right. Alrighty, so that's all we have to do in here for the blower motor. Now we'll move around the back where the chimney and chain is.
Well, I think I deleted some of our videos when editing, so there's a whole section here we didn't do, and that's the back. That's the chimney. That includes the exhaust and then the outside exhaust, which, as you can see here, you may think this is sketchy, but actually it's really cool because most guys have to run their exhaust up through the roof, 20 feet, run it through filters. Not us, we just blow that shit right outside. All right.
Smoke, no worries.
That's for the EPA. So you take off this cover. There's actually 4 screws here that hold that cover on, but we don't use them. We just hang the cover on this little gizmo here, and that way we can take it on and off easy without removing the screws.
So basically in the back here, we pull off this chimney, which is 2 screws here and here.
Those would be machine screws, yes, okay.
Well, grade 8.
Oh, wait a minute, I don't think they are.
They are grade 8.
Oh, okay. They're grade 8 machine screws.
So back here, we pull this off. We basically just scrape it out very well. Get all the char and stuff that's built up in there off.
So that's where the final smoke comes up. It comes out of the roaster, and the chaff goes down in there, and then out it goes. Something like that.
And lastly, we grease the chain. It's a couple, 3 drops of the same lube that we use for the electrical motor that you saw me use earlier. And yeah, that's pretty much it back here.
Vac it out.
Yep.
Wipe it down. Let's talk about the Zerks.
I did, well, that was lost.
On the other side, yeah.
So yeah, the bearings here, there's one in the front and one here. We, pump grease in till you see grease move.
I think there's only 3 Zerks on the whole machine.
Yep. There's one in the front, one in the back drum, and then one on the auger arm.
So this gets a little bit of crap in here, but not much. There's the back of the Derek already cleaned the blower motor. This is actually months after we took the original videos. So it's dirty. It needs cleaned. But here's your final exhaust. You just pull it out right here, move it that direction, and you go out and there's a cover over the end of it, and I have this tool that goes in there and just scrapes it all out. And really, that's all there is to this back section. Can you think of anything else?
No, the back's pretty easy.
All right, then.
Well, all right. All we have left to do is pull the housing here off of the blower motor for the impeller. We're going to scrape the back of the housing. It's held on by 2 wing nuts under here. Scrape the impeller motor and scrape up as good as we can, and that'll do it. too bad, actually. Just go ahead and do this. Alright, let's set this aside. Actually, I'm going to hit this little spot here. And this one over here. Set this aside. Vacuum that mess up. I'm just going to scrape the back of the housing and the fan, and then we'll be good. Well, alright, I still got a few more passes I'm going to run on here. It's just some buildup I would like to get off. But that's that. When I'm done here, I'm going to vacuum it out again, obviously. Put the lid back on it. And then we're done with this deep clean. Thanks for watching. Alright, now we're all finished. Got the side there. We did the...